Well, we started the day on the back foot. In fact, we saw a brutal sell off coming in the first half of the session, wherein the Nifty broke below that 23,500 mark as well. But the second half saw a very strong recovery coming in, with the Nifty ending just about a shade below that 23,700 mark, recovering almost 200 points from the day's low. The broader end of the markets were out of favor, but the Nifty mid cap index managed to pare losses to the tune of 1%. Even then, both the Nifty mid and small cap indices shed anywhere between 1 to 1.5% apiece. In terms of sectoral movers, IT packs saw good recovery, recovering 2% from the day's low ahead of TCS numbers. So that index led the rebound in the second half, and also the FMCG pack managed to end the day in the green. In terms of the top movers on the index, you had stocks like ONGC. That stock rallied another 3%. Remember, yesterday it was the top Nifty gainer and gained somewhere around 4%. So in a matter of two sessions, ONGC has rallied as much as 7%. Reliance Industries was a close second, gained somewhere around 2% on the back of positive brokerage reports. Aside of that, if you look at the top laggards on the index, you had stocks like Apollo Hospitals as well as Trent. In terms of other stocks, TCS, ahead of earnings, that stock staged a very good recovery today. In fact, ended near the day's high, 2% gains coming in on that stock. In fact, for TCS in particular, revenues are expected to be muted on the back of no contribution from the BSNL deal, because that revenue contribution peaked in the second quarter. And margins will see a good uptick given the fact that there are no BSNL deal related costs, there is rupee tailwind, and of course, in absence of wage hikes as well. So, yes, TCS, one stock to watch out for in tomorrow's session. Aside of that, the mid cap movers today on the Nifty 500 index, you had Dixon Tech and Paytm. Those two stocks shed over 8% apiece in today's session. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.